Welcome back, this is Flaky G.
Introducing generational change.
Don't forget to subscribe as you are watching this video. And today I'm gonna talk about the types of businesses that you can invest on. And if you invest wisely on these businesses, they can make you money that can accommodate generations and generations. The first business that we're gonna talk about in this modern day is Forex trading. Forex trading has made so many millionaires around the globe, and Forex trading is really changing lives. If you know how to trade, when to trade, if you know how to trade the Forex market properly, you can make millions and billions of dollars out of the Forex market. But you need to first learn the basics, what Forex really is, how do I trade, what moves the markets, and when to trade the market. You need to analyze the market, you need to understand the market, and there are some books which you can read about Forex markets, and those books are out there for people. Number 2 business that can make you money is real estate. If you invest in real estate, you make a decent money from real estate. Like, some people might be asking, what is real estate? Real estate is about building properties, houses, owning properties and houses. That's real estate. And real estate, how do you make money in real estate? You can rent out your properties, you can sell your houses at higher prices, and you'll be making money from real estate if you invest wisely in real estate. We'll move on to agriculture. Agriculture is about owning the farm, or maybe farming on the farms and producing produce from the farms, which you can sell out in markets, and you can make money from your farm produce that you've been producing in your farms. The other one is industrial businesses. You can build up a company, or you can start up or open a company that you can specialize on a product and make sure you brand your product very well, so that it will be liked in the market, it will gain value in the market. And when people likes your product, and when people demand your product, that's how you make money, and that's how your company grows, and you'll be unstoppable. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you got some value, so that next time